Since we have already talked about finding density or finding volume of the substance, now we're going to calculate mass of the substance. So we have this practice problem. It says that gold has a density of 19.6 19.3 gram per centimeter cube, and we have here volume equals 44.9 centimeter cube. So we are going to calculate the mass. As we talked about this earlier, that we can convert one equation to another equation just by doing this. Density is equals to mass over volume, and now we're going to calculate mass, and we are given with density and volume. So we'll just take this volume here from here to here and multiply it with density, and the mass will be equals to volume multiplied by density. So that's how we are going to calculate mass. So our mass is equals to volume 44.9 multiplied by density, and density is 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. And this would be equal to 866.57, and since this is the answer, we can just round it off to 867 gram is the mass of that gold bar we have. So that's how we're going to calculate this problem here. And there is another example we're going to. We have this piece of wood here, and we are given with the length, width and height of this piece of wood, and the piece of wood in the figure has mass of 96.4 gram and determine its density. So as we talked about it earlier, we have some advanced problems. So here we are only given with mass and we need to find its density. So we need to find its density, but to find this density we also need to find its volume. So in the first place we're going to do is find the volume of the wooden block, which would be length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So that's how we're going to calculate the volume. Now we need to determine its density, and density is equals to mass over volume, which is equals to 96.4 divided by 165, and which is equals to, which would be equal to 0.584 gram per centimeter cube, and that would be the density of the wooden block. Yeah, So that's the thing we are going to discuss, and that is it for now. And we're going to study some more advanced problems. So keep watching if you need to make your grip on density